Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Barber Masters. Guys, as usual, we have gathered some perfect haircut transformation for you. So don't skip this video, watch this video till and you will enjoy. Wow, just look at this one, and this barber just done his job for it perfectly, and this guy got most beautiful haircut transformation right here. I love that type of huge transformation. That's flawless transformation. That was perfect one. Guys, don't forget to comment your favorite haircut, and we will try to upload some haircut that based on your interests. Like if you love some taper fade, drop fade, skin fade, any type of haircut, we will try to compile whole that type of haircut that you really wanna love to watch. So don't forget to comment your favorite haircut, and we'll upload. We'll make a complete one video compilation, and we will do some very different type of haircuts on your favorite haircut. So don't forget to comment your favorite one. It's really satisfying to watch that type of flawless haircut transformation. That's perfect. The way these barbers are delivering a haircut is spontaneous. The way they are delivering a haircut, the way they are doing their job. Wow, that was literally life changing hair transformation for this guy. I will mention all of these barbers in my description box. So if you really wanna visit that barber, yes, you can. So I think you have to visit that barber if you are luckily near, located near this barber. Guys, if you are still watching these videos and you all are loving to watch that type of crispy haircut transformation, then don't forget to share this compilation with your friends and family, and wherever you can share these videos. I think you have to share and just support us to watching the whole videos, because YouTube also not recommending our videos because our watch time are always less, and so that's why YouTube is not recommending our videos, and we are doing some hard work like compile that type of videos, doing some reaction and all that process taking time. Anyways, this is gonna be a lost circuit transformation. I hope you had enjoyed all of this crispy circuit transformation. Thank you so much for watching videos. Don't forget to subscribe, turn the post notification to get update for every upcoming upload.